Okay, so go back to the positioning. You're positioning women as a group in your organization that require more flexibility, that require more care, and that are high maintenance. When in reality, it's humans that require flexibility. Now, let me ask you a question. If a woman requires all these extra special things to be done by the organization, as an organization, are you going to welcome women into your management team? Or will you analyze your return on investment? So, in my opinion, such benefits are really harmful because, again, they position women as needing to be empowered, needing support to do the same thing as their counterparts. When the reality is, the innate power of women is not only needed in today's organization, it is a critical success factor in today's organization. Let organizations fight and get really creative how they will attract women into their organizations, not because it's a social responsibility, but because it adds value to them as an organization.